Hi, dear faculty members, research scholars, and PG students. Welcome to my channel. Actually, before entering this video, I would like to convey a message regarding my channel. Actually, main intention of starting this channel is to give tips and guidance to the newly coming into the research field and those who are struggling to write a research article, so that I like to cover all the aspects of research in terms of writing each and every section of the paper and the surroundings which are that is what is meant by basic structure of research articles, and what are the review process, and what will be the after accepting, what will be the response to the that is the editors, like a revision after getting revisions, how to give the response to the reviewers. So like that, all the aspects I'm going to give tips and suggestions here. And I can assure after 25-30 videos you will be able to write a research paper. Okay, so I hope you cooperate with me and support my channel also. So in this video I'm going to talk about what is journal peer review process. Okay. So all the fresh researchers should understand what behind the that is after submission of our research article. Here, the peer review process is nothing but to validate or scrutinize our research work for quality publications. Because all the publishers are expecting the quality paper for their reputation. Okay, so that they need to validate or scrutinizing your research paper for their quality publication. So ultimately, all the editors are all the mainly the chief editors are looking your papers with quality. Okay, so that the peer review process may be or it should be very tough in the quality journals like SEI, SEAE indexed journals. Okay, even in the Scopus, the good publishers, even in the Scopus also expecting the quality on your paper. So here we can see the entire peer review process. Initially, the author submits paper to the journal. So we will see how we are going to submit the paper into the journal. Okay, in the later video we will discuss briefly. Here just you assume that the author submits paper to the journal. Okay, so initially they will look at your paper which is comes under the journal scope. Okay, so this is the basic validation done by uh, journal. Okay, that is if it is comes under the scopes, okay, it will goes to the editor. Okay, otherwise it will be written back to your that is desk. Okay, so if it is initially they will see the scope of the journal, that is it is comes under the scope of the journal, so they will forward to the editor. Okay, so from the editor he will take the initial evaluation. Okay, so like he will go through the abstract and what way you are writing and what are the innovations in your paper, and what are the contributions in your paper, and English language checking. So many factors are there to editor, depends upon the editor. They will consider the comparison point of view and the result point of view and the recent trend point of view. So accordingly the editor may be consider your paper. Okay, this is initial evaluation is doing with the editor. Okay, so after that, if it is okay, means the editor point of perspective. Okay, so it will goes to the editor will invite reviewers for reviewing your paper. So otherwise it will be rejected too, and it comes to your desk. Okay, so after inviting reviewers, so reviewers are reviewing your paper. So there are they are experts. The experts are reviewing your paper and whether your justifications or your proposed method is worthy or not. Okay. So based on the reviewers, they will submit. They will send reports to the editor, again. Okay, so the reports is maybe a positive reports, maybe a negative reports. So it depends upon your proposed system. They will give the reports to the editor. Okay, finally. So the maybe the reviewers based on the journal, they will invite minimum 2 or 3 reviewers is possible to invite, and they will review papers accordingly. Okay, so nowadays most of the journals are reviewing minimum 3 reviewers. Okay, so the 3 reviewers reports received from the editor. So after that he will take the decision. Okay, it's maybe a revise. Okay, suppose the all the authors are suggested your paper should revise means, so it is again goes to the author, and he need to submit revised paper again. Okay, and the process is continuous from the editor itself. Again the revised paper is goes to the same reviewer or the different reviewer also, though, so we can't expect the revision paper goes to the same reviewer. Okay, so maybe a different reviewer also, actually they will send the editor actually choice. Okay, because in my experience I am receiving the original paper as well as the already revised paper also I have received for reviewing purpose. So that I am saying, so it is not a mandatory to send the same reviewer. So maybe after revision it maybe goes to the different reviewer also, so that we should address all the that is suggested commands. Okay, so we will later on we will see how to respond the reviewers comments also. So then if it is not worthable, at least some the reviewers given some negative comments. Okay, so they will take the majority of reviewers giving the comments. Suppose among 3, 2 are giving the negative comments, one is giving positive comments, they will consider the maximum number of that is negative comments given by the reviewers, so that obviously the editor will reject the paper. Okay, so and if it is accept means it is goes to publication process. Okay, so this is the review process, and I like to say particularly, so this is the important area. Okay, that is the reviewer area. The peer review process happened here. Okay, so there are many types of peer review is there. Okay, so we will discuss here the types of peer review. Okay, there are common types are there. Okay, that is a single blind review. Okay, in the single blind review is names of reviewers hidden to the authors. So authors can't see the reviewer's name, but reviewers can see the details of authors here. And the second one is double blind. In the double blind is names of reviewers and details of authors are hidden each other. So the authors can't see the reviewers' names, and similarly the reviewers can't see the author's name also. So that is called a double blind review. So nowadays most of the journals are preferring this double blind review. Okay, and the third one is triple blind review. Okay, so here reviewers are anonymous and the author's identity is unknown to both the reviewers and editors. So editors also doesn't know the author's identity. Okay, but obviously editor knows the reviewers. Okay, it doesn't matter, but the author's details are does not provide to the editors. So here it is called a triple. It is rarely very reputed, very big. That is journals also doing like this. Okay. The fourth one is open peer review. So here all are open. The names of reviewers and details of authors are shown each others. Okay. So here, so most of the that is the Scopus papers or some journals are preferring like this open peer reviews also. Okay. So these are all the types of peer review. So we discussed. I hope you understand what is behind after submission of paper. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.